There's been a lot of discussion lately among interpreters about the original sound feature on Zoom. Should we, shouldn't we activate it? More importantly, should our participants, those conference delegates, activate original sound or continue to use the compressed sound, the standard Zoom sound? To answer that question, I thought I'd put together a quick and dirty video from the speaker's perspective. And toward that end, I'm going to test 4 microphones. The microphone on my webcam, the one I'm using now, the microphone on board my PC computer, which is, let's be honest, what most speakers are using these days. I'll also test a freestanding lapel mic and a boom mic on a headset. Now I'm going to test these 4 microphones under the conditions that we have now. Large office, open door, open window. And I'm recording to the cloud, not to my local computer, so that it sounds like what someone would hear in a real conference setting. Now, in addition to testing the microphone under the current conditions in which I have the regular standard compression activated, I'll be turning it on and off, but I'll also be introducing a new element, the vacuum cleaner. So check it out. Here we go. I've just activated the original sound feature on my webcam. So I was speaking a moment ago with the regular Zoom platform, and this is what that webcam sounds like with that feature activated. Now let's see what happens when we add the vacuum cleaner. Here we go. Original sound, vacuum cleaner running. Now let's turn off that original sound and see what happens. We've gone back to the regular Zoom platform, the dustbuster still running in the background. And here we have the lapel mic, all right? So at this point, you are hearing the regular Zoom meeting. Now let's see what happens when we turn on and go with the original sound. Original sound on the lapel mic, and we have the vacuum cleaner continuing to run in the background. Okay, next up, let's switch to the onboard microphone. And here we have the onboard microphone with, of course, the vacuum cleaner running in the background. Now I've turned on original sound so that we're hearing absolutely everything going on around me on this particular microphone. Okay, next up, our headset, the boom mic. And here we have the boom mic, regular Zoom sound with our distraction running in the background. Now let's go ahead and turn on the original sound. And here we have same microphone, exactly the same conditions, same background noise. So colleagues, what are you going to tell your clients? Activate or don't activate? I think the answer is pretty clear.